Hello everyone, and welcome to SWT English Learning, the place where you learn real English in simple, clear, and enjoyable ways. Today we are going to practice 50 short English sentences that people use at work every single day. These are not boring textbook phrases. These are the exact sentences that native speakers use to talk about their daily work routines. I want you to listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine yourself using these sentences in your own life. That's how your English becomes natural. Let's begin with the start of a normal workday. Sentence 1. I switch on my computer as soon as I arrive. This means the first action after reaching your desk is turning on the computer. Repeat with me. I switch on my computer as soon as I arrive. Sentence 2. I check the team's schedule to see what's planned. This helps you prepare for the day. Repeat. I check the team's schedule to see what's planned. Sentence 3. I answer the most important emails first. Native speakers often use this sentence to show priority. Repeat. I answer the most important emails first. Sentence 4. I make a fresh cup of coffee before I start. Many people cannot begin work without their favorite drink. Repeat. I make a fresh cup of coffee before I start. Sentence 5. I review my notes from yesterday. This helps you continue where you stopped. Repeat. I review my notes from yesterday. Sentence 6. I keep a to-do list updated. That's how you stay organized. Repeat. I keep a to-do list updated. Sentence 7. I take short breaks to stay focused. Rest is important for productivity. Repeat. I take short breaks to stay focused. Sentence 8. I try to reply to all emails before lunch. That way, nothing urgent is left behind. Repeat. I try to reply to all emails before lunch. Sentence 9. I look at my goals for the week. This keeps your big picture clear. Repeat. I look at my goals for the week. Sentence 10. I join the morning meeting at 10. Many offices have daily team calls. Repeat. I join the morning meeting at 10. These 10 sentences are for the beginning of the day. If you practice them every morning, they will become natural. Now, let's continue with sentences people use in the middle of their workday. These will help you talk about tasks, meetings, and breaks. Sentence 11. I block time for focused work. This means you protect time to work without interruptions. Repeat. I block time for focused work. Sentence 12. I finish important reports before lunch. That way, mornings are used for serious tasks. Repeat. I finish important reports before lunch. Sentence 13. I send a short update after every meeting.
This shows you are responsible. Repeat. I send a short update after every meeting. Sentence 14. I'd take a walk during my lunch break. A simple habit for health. Repeat. I take a walk during my lunch break. Sentence 15. I silence notifications during meetings. No distractions, just focus. Repeat. I silence notifications during meetings. Sentence 16. I check my progress in the afternoon. You stop and review what's done and what's left. Repeat. I check my progress in the afternoon. Sentence 17. I avoid multitasking during busy hours. One task at a time is better. Repeat. I avoid multitasking during busy hours. Sentence 18. I save important files to the cloud. Files in the cloud are always safe. Repeat. I save important files to the cloud. Sentence 19. I reply to messages before the end of the day, so people don't wait for answers. Repeat. I reply to messages before the end of the day. Sentence 20. I organize my desk in the afternoon. A clean desk equals a clear mind. Repeat. I organize my desk in the afternoon. Great job! These sentences are useful for the middle of your workday. Keep repeating them aloud.
Now, let's move to the end of the workday. These sentences will help you close your day in an organized way. Sentence 21. I check tomorrow's schedule before I leave. That way, you know what's coming. Repeat. I check tomorrow's schedule before I leave. Sentence 22. I write down what I finished today. This keeps a record of progress. Repeat. I write down what I finished today. Sentence 23. I prepare talking points for tomorrow's meeting. It makes you confident and ready. Repeat. I prepare talking points for tomorrow's meeting. Sentence 24. I log out of my work apps at 5. This means you stop work on time. Repeat. I log out of my work apps at 5. Sentence 25. I say goodbye to my colleagues before leaving. A polite and friendly way to end the day. Repeat. I say goodbye to my colleagues before leaving. Sentence 26. I clean my computer desktop and close tabs. It makes the next day smoother. Repeat. I clean my computer desktop and close tabs. Sentence 27. I usually leave work around 5:30. This shows routine. Repeat. I usually leave work around 5:30. Sentence 28. I take the same bus home every day. A normal commute sentence. Repeat. I take the same bus home every day. Sentence 29. I don't check emails after 6. Work-life balance is important. Repeat. I don't check emails after 6. Sentence 30. I prepare for the next day before I relax. This habit reduces stress. Repeat. I prepare for the next day before I relax. Excellent. These sentences are great for the end of your work routine.
Finally, let's learn some extra daily habits that help you stay healthy, productive, and balanced at work. Sentence 31. I bring my own lunch most days. It saves money and is healthier. Repeat. I bring my own lunch most days. Sentence 32. I drink water often to stay fresh. Repeat. I drink water often to stay fresh. Sentence 33. I mute my phone when I need focus. Repeat. I mute my phone when I need focus. Sentence 34. I attend training sessions every Thursday. Repeat. I attend training sessions every Thursday. Sentence 35. I avoid social media during work hours. Repeat. I avoid social media during work hours. Sentence 36. I scheduled time for small admin tasks. Repeat. I scheduled time for small admin tasks. Sentence 37. I update my availability for next week. Repeat. I update my availability for next week. Sentence 38. I stretch my legs every hour. Repeat. I stretch my legs every hour. Sentence 39. I shut down my computer properly. Repeat. I shut down my computer properly. Sentence 40. I turn off the office lights before I leave. Repeat. I turn off the office lights before I leave. Sentence 41. I listen to podcasts on my way home. Great for learning while traveling. Repeat. I listen to podcasts on my way home. Sentence 42. I write a short journal about my day. Repeat. I write a short journal about my day. Sentence 43. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. Repeat. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. Sentence 44. I set an alarm for the next morning. Repeat. I set an alarm for the next morning. Sentence 45. I cook dinner after work. Repeat. I cook dinner after work. Sentence 46. I spend time with my family in the evening. Repeat. I spend time with my family in the evening. Sentence 47. I read a book before going to bed. Repeat. I read a book before going to bed. Sentence 48. I plan my goals for the next week. Repeat. I plan my goals for the next week. Sentence 50. I relax by watching a movie at night. Repeat. I relax by watching a movie at night. Sentence 50. I sleep early to feel fresh tomorrow. Repeat. I sleep early to feel fresh tomorrow. And there you have it. 50 powerful English sentences that will make your daily work routine sound natural, professional, and confident. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you repeat, the more automatic they will feel. This is SWT English Learning, helping you learn real English that you can actually use in life. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every small step in English makes you stronger.